Hello everyone. Today I'd like to give you a quick update on natural gas. Natural gas is still consolidating within this triangle, this range, right? When we look closer on daily, this day, right? October 2nd was the temporary high, right? Short-term high. So this is the resistance, this is the resistance. So no wonder these are zone, right? Resistance zone. So natural gas got rejected in this resistance. And since then, it got pulled back and then falling again. Right? So it is headed, it seems it is headed toward this support area, right? 280 area. So let's see whether this support holds. Right? So the one I'm watching is whether this August low, which was the 5 months from the March high, whether this low will hold or not. Right? It is very important because if it doesn't hold, there's a chance for natural gas to drop until January, right? Because it's 5, 6, 7, 8 is November, 9, December, and 10th, right? It's January. So let's see how this plays out. One thing to note is natural gas is working on, this is wave 2, right? In this small pattern, in this small bullish pattern, wave 1 until March high, and then wave 2, we are still in. And then when this is over, wave 3 starts, right? We are not sure whether this August low is starting of the wave 3 or not. At this point, we don't know. But in the bigger picture, right? So this whole move is wave 1 and wave 2 when we look at this big pattern, right? So wave 1, first spike up, and then almost 100% retracement. That's wave 2. And this one is a wave 3. Right? Wave 3 started here. And within this wave 3, we have little wave 1 and wave 2, right? And similarly, oil is the same, right? This one, if you look at this big pattern, the first spike up, wave 1 and wave 2. It's working on wave 3, right? So oil is also very important whether this April low will hold or not. Because if it doesn't hold, then there's a chance since June high, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Already fourth month, right? So if oil doesn't close higher than September close, then there's a chance oil falls at least 1 month further until November. And then if that breaks this April low, then there's a chance it can fall 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is December, or 6, right? Until December or January. So both oil and natural gas are at the critical point. Okay? So as I said in other video, other markets already moving, right? Silver is moving and gold is moving, right? Silver 50, gold 4,000. And then dollar is moving too, right? It got bear trap and bounced back and then broke above this trend line. And then last Friday, so I mean yesterday, the VIX moved decisively higher and then equity started to fall, right? So every other market is moving except oil and gas, right? So my still my base scenario is oil and gas will follow suit very soon, possibly this month or next month, right? So let's see, okay? So if if oil and natural gas to follow suit this month or next month, it has to hold August low and April low, right? So let's see how this plays out. But if it follow through, right? If it moves again along with other markets, then it's the start of wave three, right? So for example, silver, right? Wave one, wave two, and then wave three started here, and look at this, right? So this kind of big move could happen when oil and gas also start wave three, right? If they start wave three, okay? And by definition, wave three cannot be the shortest, right? So the price wise, the move is at least bigger than this one. And same thing, right? Oil at least bigger than this move. So huge move is coming. So it's worth waiting and pay attention. Okay. So let's see how this plays out. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.